Brand Outdoor Diamond sent this product for us to try, and I just finished putting together. This is a substantial piece of furniture. It's very heavy. Put it together where you're going to use it because it's heavy. It is not a cheap piece of furniture at all. It took me about 2 hours by myself to put it together. If I had two people, if my husband had been home, we could have done it so much faster. But it's really nice. So you've got your wooden piece on top. You've got two drawers, completely slide out. And then it's cool because you can leave it open like this. This is a sliding barn door that you can shut, and then you have a lock down here that you can latch it, but you can also leave it open. There's a divider inside that is movable. You could move it down some, but this is equal for both sides. And then on either side here, I'll show you close up, but you've got doors there. So on this side, you could always leave this open. That side opens as well, so it opens all the way through. And my little guys seem to like it too. Okay, so here's how it looks. Here's my little helpers. We're gonna see how long it takes to put it together, but everything is numbered, and then the directions look pretty straightforward. So, step one, you put the frame together, and that gives you the size. Step two, we're gonna put this board on. I did get my electric screwdriver with the little bit that would fit this hole instead of having to use the Allen wrench. That's speeding things up a lot. Okay, once you get this together, you're gonna flip this the other way, and then the bottom base is going to go on top. This needs to be flipped over first. Okay, it is coming together step by step. The best thing I can say is just make sure you match the picture. Okay, so here's the barn door close up, and it just slides across. And then the lock down here, I did have to drill out just a tiny bit. The lock did not line up, but it drilled out really easy, so you can lock that in. And then on the sides, it has a little latch like this that you can open up. So that can stay open on that side. You just pull up on that, and then it slides into that little latch. But this is open here, so it's air all around. And the door opens all the way back. It's really nice on top. So this could absolutely be a buffet piece in a dining room, entryway, a living room, a TV stand. It's just really nice that it's a nice piece of furniture. But then you've got your dog beds hidden away, and I just put those little cushions in there. It would fit, regular beds too. But I would say small or medium-sized dogs, 2 of mine could get in there just fine. But I'm really impressed with the quality of this and the way that it looks. It's really, really nice.